Okay. Good morning, all. Please write your full name and roll number in chat box. And now I will start. In previous session, I already explained about the amplitude modulation. Okay. Now just I will take a review of some part and then I will start today's lecture. Now see, in previous lecture, I have already explained about what is the concept of modulation. Modulation is the process of changing some parameters, some characteristics like amplitude, frequency, or phase of a carrier wave. Okay, in accordance with information signal. Information means data, intelligence signal. Data may be audio, video, combination of any of these, still photography, then alphabets, numbers. Okay, and then change that parameter like amplitude, frequency, or phase of carrier with respect to your information or data signal. Now, then I have already explained about the what is the need of modulation related to in terms of practical antenna length, then optical range, then wireless communication. Okay, then three basic types of modulation like amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, and phase modulation. Then what is the concept of amplitude modulation? This is your information signal carrier, and figure C is superimposition of your data signal and carrier signal. Next is C, then summary of M, that is amplitude of carrier wave changes with respect to data signal. Amplitude variations of the carrier wave is at signal frequency, that is Fs, and frequency of amplitude modulated wave remains the same, that is the carrier frequency remains the same, that is a carrier frequency denoted by Fc. Then the modulation factor denoted by small m, that is the amplitude change of carrier upon normal carrier amplitude wave, that is the unmodulated. And value of modulation factor depends upon the amplitudes of carrier and signal. Next is degree of modulation should never exceed 100%. That is 1. This is the formula for modulation factor. Next is analysis of amplitude modulation. This is the graphical behavior of M amplitude modulated wave with symbolic representation, and then uh, carrier wave generally represented by EC small ec equal to capital EC cos of omega ct. EC small ec means instantaneous voltage of a carrier. Capital EC is amplitude of carrier. Omega c, that is the carrier frequency, angular frequency is about 2 pi fc. And signal may be represented by m. Small m means modulation factor, EC cos of omega s. The omega s is your signal frequency. And final equation is like this, that is capital EC in bracket 1 plus m cos of omega st into cos of omega ct. C for carrier and S for signal. And in and these are the summary of M wave. That is, M wave is equivalent to the summation of 3 sinusoidal wave. Okay, and in this case, EC is amplitude of carrier, FC is carrier frequency, and amplitude of each band is represented by MEC by 2. And frequency, there are two types of frequency, FC plus Fs and FC minus Fs. Therefore, second point, M wave contains three frequencies like FC, carrier frequency, FC plus Fs, that is carrier plus signal frequency, and FC minus Fs, carrier minus signal frequency. And it generates two frequency bands, that is upper side band denoted by or represented by Fc plus Fs, and lower sideband denoted by Fc minus Fs. Okay, and then we can also find out the bandwidth. That is, bandwidth is the difference of upper sideband and lower sideband. See, this is the amplitude of carrier frequency. MEC by 2 is the amplitude of each sideband. That is, upper sideband is denoted by Fc plus Fs and lower sideband denoted by Fc minus Fs. Okay. Then what are the limitations of modulation, noisy receptions in amplitude modulation wave, low efficiency, small operating range, and lack of audio quality? These are limitations of amplitude modulated wave. And today I will explain about the numerical problems. Okay, and I will show how to solve numerical problems of amplitude modulation. Okay, to find out modulation factor, upper sideband frequency, lower sideband frequency, and amplitude of each sideband like MS USB, upper sideband as well as lower sideband. And then based on this data, we can draw frequency spectra for a particular range. Okay. Yes. Uh, Problem is C, find modulation factor, sideband frequency, sideband components, and then draw frequency spectra. And problem is a carrier wave frequency is about 1000 kilohertz. Peak value is 12 volt, is modulated by 2 kilohertz sine frequency with amplitude 7 volts. And determine, based on that, determine modulation factor, that is small m, sideband frequency, like sideband frequency means upper side and lower side. In between that you will get the carrier frequency. Then amplitude of sideband components, like what is the formula, MEC by 2, and then draws uh, frequency spectra. Now see, these are the data you can find based on this problem. Means first find carrier amplitude, that is EC, signal amplitude denoted by ES, carrier frequency denoted by FC, signal frequency denoted by Fs. Okay. Now modulation factor, dear student, denoted by small m, and that is equal to Es upon Ec. Next is USB. USB stand for upper sideband frequency, that is Fc plus Fs. You have Fc. From the knowledge of carrier frequency and signal frequency, we can find out the upper sideband frequency, and from the again you can also find out the lower sideband frequency, uh, that is the difference of carrier frequency and sideband frequency. Then amplitude of each sideband, that is amplitude of upper sideband and lower sideband, and the formula is MEC by 2. And then draw frequency spectra, and this is the frequency spectra. See, your x-axis denote the frequency, and there are three frequency component. Left one is lower sideband, middle one is your carrier frequency, and your upper side along the uh, positive x-axis, that is your USB, upper sideband frequency denoted by Fc plus Fs, lower sideband frequency denoted by Fc minus Fs, and amplitude of carrier frequency, dear student. Yes, what is the amplitude of carrier frequency? Hello student, see your y-axis. Y-axis indicates the amplitude of frequency. What is the amplitude of carrier frequency? See, I will use laser pointer. See, this is your carrier frequency, and amplitude of carrier frequency is, yes, what is this? EC, capital EC. Understood? This is your upper side band frequency, and amplitude of upper side band frequency is denoted by which formula? Anyone? Hello, student. What is the amplitude?
MEC by 2.
Yes, perfect. What is the AM? AM means modulation factor. Similarly, lower sideband frequency, same amplitude. Means amplitude of upper sideband frequency is equal to amplitude of lower sideband frequency. Understood, dear student? This is our
Yes, sir.
prerequisite. Means if you want to solve this problem, you should know all this. Means first try it. See, I have already given hint. First write the data, and based on data you can solve the problems. Understood, dear student? Hello,
1000
student.
kilohertz.
Yes, I will use a different color. Okay, see, carrier amplitude, that is EC, and your student, from this uh, from this problem, uh, I can write EC equal to AC equal to 12 volt. Okay, now I will use different color. Yes, EC equal to 12 volt. Okay, signal amplitude ES. What is the signal amplitude, dear student? Is equal
7
to
volt.
7 volt. Perfect. 7 volt. Carrier frequency FC. What is your carrier frequency, dear student?
1000 kilohertz.
1000 kilohertz. Therefore, I can write here 1000 kilohertz. Signal frequency. What is the signal frequency?
2 kilohertz.
Very good. Nice. 2 kilohertz. Now, then, yes, we have A, B, C and D. देखो आपके पास A है, B, C, D. Now, uh, first we will find modulation factor. And dear student, modulation factor is denoted by small m. Okay, and small m, we can write small m equal to Es by Ec. And dear student, we have Es. What is the value of Es? 7. What is the value of Ec? 12. And therefore, dividing 7 by 12, we can find small m, that is modulation factor.
158.
Okay.
0.
I'll check. एक minute. हाँ. I will shift this in upper side. Now see, I will write here. I will use this part. Now see, I will use different color. Now see, m, small m is equal to Es by Ec, and small m is your 7 by 12. Yes, what is the 7 by 12? Hello, student.
0.58.
0, 0.5,
58.
0.58. What is the unit for this? What is the unit for m? There is no unit because it is the ratio of symptoms. Understood? ES का unit क्या है? Volts. EC का unit volt. Volt get cancelled. Therefore, there is no unit for modulation factor small m. Okay? Yes, this is about small m. Now see, the next point is, see, based on from the knowledge of ES and EC, we can find out small. See, next point is find upper sideband frequency. Therefore, here I will use, yes, this is your first
So it
upper
is
side.
1002 kilohertz.
Next point is upper sideband frequency. एक मिनट हाँ. Upper sideband frequency. Upper sideband frequency, that is USB, is equal to Hc plus Fs. And dear student, what is the Fc? Anyone?
1000
Fc
kilohertz.
is 1000. 1000 plus Fs. Fs is your 2. That is, I can write. Is it correct?
Kilohertz. Yes.
Kilohertz. Therefore, we can write C. Therefore, A हुआ आपका USB, then LSB. Lower sideband frequency is Fc minus Fs. That is 1000 minus 2. Yes, what is the 1000 minus 2? Anyone?
9.
9? 9 what?
998
998.
kilohertz.
998 kilohertz. Okay, means we can calculate LSB and USB based from the knowledge of FC and FS. Yes, what is the next point? So F हुआ, what is the G? Amplitude of each side band. Side band means upper and lower side band. Now see, next point is amplitude of each side band. And dear student, first, yes, amplitude of each side band is equal to MEC by 2. Okay. Now,
3.499.
yes, that is, we have M. What is the value of M?
0.5.
0.58.
0.58 into EC. What is the EC?
12.
12. Whole divided by 2.
2.
That is, yes, what is the
3.49.
3.499.
499.
499. I will write 3.50. And what is the unit? Unit is volts. Okay. Means amplitude of upper side band is equal to 3.5 as well as amplitude of lower side band is equal to, again, we can write 3.5. Is it correct? Hello students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means we can calculate G from the knowledge of modulation factor EC. Next is draw frequency spectra. Now we can draw, see what is the procedure to draw frequency spectra. I will shift in upper side. See, this is your frequency spectra. Okay, and for this case I will use different color. Next is frequency spectra. And for this case, dear student, first draw x-axis. X-axis is your frequency. Then draw y-axis, and y-axis is your amplitude denoted by E. I can write here amplitude. And can you tell me what is the unit of amplitude here, dear student? Your answer is 101% correct, and unit is volt. Okay, means here x-axis is your frequency and y-axis is amplitude of each frequency band. Understood, dear student? Can I proceed for next point?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes. Matlab, draw x-axis is your frequency and y-axis is your amplitude. Okay. Now see, we have, now here I'll write, here I will write FC minus FS. Yes. What is the value of FC minus FS, dear student? 998
kilohertz.
Then I will write FC here. FC is your 1000 kilohertz. And FC plus FS is equal to 1002 kilohertz. Correct? Therefore, I will use different color. I will use red color for carrier frequency. See. And dear student, for carrier frequency, what is the amplitude? Hello, student. For carrier frequency, what is the amplitude?
1000 kilohertz.
What is the amplitude?
12 volt, 12 volt, sorry.
12 volts.
12 volts.
For lower side band, what is the amplitude? Is it correct?
7 volts.
And lower side band, 3.50. And for upper side band, what is the frequency? What is the amplitude? Again 3.50. Now see how to draw that. And this is your origin. Then I will take First, I will draw 3 lines of एक minute. Lower side band. This is your FC minus FS. Okay. And what is the value? 998.
998.
Here I will write kilohertz. Okay. Then I will use different color for carrier frequency. Suppose green color. This is your FC. And yes, what is the value of FC, dear student?
1000.
1000 hertz. Okay. And then I will use one more different color for upper sideband frequency. Suppose blue. Okay. And this is your, yes, dear student, FC plus FS. Is it correct? And that is about 1002. Okay. And then
Yes.
see, first draw 3 lines with frequency FC minus FS, FC and FC plus FS. And therefore, then see amplitude for each band. I will use different color. Yes, see. Then draw one parallel line, one line which is parallel to frequency axis, and that is, this is your amplitude of sideband frequency, that is MEC by 2. And what is the MEC by 2, dear student? What is the value? Here I will write. Can I write here 3.5?
Yes, sir.
This is your 3.5. Here I will write 3.50. Okay. And this is your, yes, what is the value here? And the term is your EC, and value is about, yes, 12 volt. Is it correct? Hello student.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is your final frequency spectra for amplitude wave. Can you draw? आप draw कर सकते हैं क्या? Hello student. From the data, see how to draw. This is the procedure steps to draw frequency spectra for amplitude modulation wave. Okay, from the knowledge of EC, small m, FC and FS, we can plot, we can show, we can represent graphical behavior of amplitude with respect to frequency band, lower side band, upper side band. And this is, here I'll write USB. This is your LSB. Understood, dear student, up to this level?
Yes, sir.
Yes, any doubt up to this level, please?
No, sir.
No, sir.
देखो, first I have already explained about the, see, first write data. Okay, like this. See, first write data, that is A, B, C, D. Okay, then to find modulation factor, this is the formula, is ES by EC, 7 by 12. Then find USB, LSB. Write your answer with proper unit. Then amplitude of each side band, that is lower side band and upper side band, is represented by MEC by 2. Put the values, do the calculation. Again, this is your answer. And then last is draw frequency spectra, and this is your frequency spectra. Yes, dear student, yes, can you draw, or any doubt up to this level? Any suggestion?
No, sir.
Please. ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है आपको?
No, sir.
बहुत इजी है, go step by step. First,
Thank you,
write each data step by step. Okay, yes, this is your answer key for this example. Now, yes, dear student, can you solve this problem? See, a carrier
Yes, sir.
frequency of 1400 kilohertz, peak value 5 volt amplitude is modulated by 4 kilohertz sine wave of amplitude 3 volt, and determine modulation factor, sideband frequency, upper, lower, amplitude of each sideband, that is M EC by 2, and then draw frequency diagram. I have already given hint. First find out the carrier amplitude, signal amplitude, note down the FC, carrier frequency, note down the FS, signal frequency, then find out modulation factor, that is ES by EC. Then upper sideband FC plus Fs, lower sideband is Fc minus Fs. Then find amplitude of each sideband from the knowledge of M EC, and put the value of M EC and divide by 2. You will get amplitude of each sideband, means lower sideband and upper sideband, and then draw frequency spectra. Dear student, can you draw? कर सकते
Yes,
हैं
sir.
आप?
हाँ सर.
ओके, ये आप करो, चलेगा? आप
Yes,
ट्राई
sir,
करो,
चलेगा.
नहीं आया नो प्रॉब्लम, डोंट टेक एनी टेंशन, आई विल रिपीट. ठीक है, लेकिन आप ट्राई करो. ओके, यू आर ब्रिलियंट है, वर्कोहोलिक है, सिंसियर स्टूडेंट्स है आप, तो आई थिंक देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम टू सॉल्व सच टाइप ऑफ एग्जांपल. ओके, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आया यू कैन आस्क एनी टाइम 24/7. ओके, नेक्स्ट नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज, नाउ सी, this is one more different problem, but don't take any tension, I will show how to solve problem. Don't take any tension. Now see, dear student, question is, an amplitude wave is represented by the expression V equal to 9 into bracket 1 plus 0.5 cos of 2700 t into sine of 1500 kilo t. Okay, that is 15 lakh t, bracket complete, in measured in holes. And now subpart A, what are the maximum and minimum amplitudes of the amplitude modulated wave? And second, what frequency components are associated in the modulated wave, and what is the amplitude of each component? And for this case, see the procedure step to find out answer for such type of example. Point number 1, compare given example with standard M wave equation. There is one standard equation I have already given in my notes. Okay, then second, find EC from that standard equation, then find small m, then signal frequency denoted by Fs, carrier frequency denoted by Fc, then minimum amplitude of M is EC minus MEC, maximum amplitude EC plus MEC, three frequencies FC minus FS, FC, FC plus FS, and amplitude of three different components. Now see how to solve this this example. See again, question is V equal to 9 into 1 plus 0.5 cos of 2700 t into sine of 15 lakh t in measured in holes, and find out the these parameters. Yes, first compare it with standard M wave equation. Yes, equation is V equal to 9 into 1 plus 0.5 cos of 2700 t into sine of 15 lakh t measured in volts, and standard equation is, dear student, I will here write standard equation, that is V equal to EC in bracket 1 plus small m cos of omega st into sine of omega ct. Okay, This is the standard equation. Now, dear student, now see from this example, see, can you compare? See, therefore I will write here V equal to, here I will write 9 into 1 plus 0.5 cos of 2700 t, okay, into bracket sine of 152,345 into t. Okay, and dear student, compare this. Suppose this is your equation number 1, equation number 2. Yes, from equation number 1 and 2, dear student, from equation 1 and 2, can I write, here I will use this part, can I write EC equal to
9.
9? Very good, superb, 9 volts. EC equal to 9 volts, correct? And can I write small m, that is modulation factor?
0.5.
Yes, superb, 0.5 without any unit, no unit. Okay. Next is, dear student, there is one formula. See, देखो B हुआ आपका, C हुआ. Now signal frequency fs, and dear student, signal frequency is equal to omega s upon 2 pi. This is the formula, omega s upon 2 pi. And from this example, can I write, yes, what will be the omega s? Can I write 2700?
700.
Yes, 2700. Okay, and therefore omega s upon 2 pi, that is 2 into 3.14. Yes, that is 2700 upon, can I write here 6.28? Yes, please do. 2700 upon 6.28. Hello student.
429.93.
4.93
29.93.
unit hertz, and this is your fs. This is your fs. Then carrier frequency, and dear student, carrier frequency, see, fs is equal to omega s upon 2 pi. Therefore, carrier frequency fc can be we can write omega c
BC.
upon 2 pi. Omega c upon 2 pi, and therefore I will shift in upward direction. I will use, yes. And dear student, can you tell me what is the omega c? Anyone? I will use different color. Can I write here omega c? C, fc equal to, what is the formula? Omega c upon 2 pi, and omega c is equal to 15 lakh upon 2 pi. Yes, what is the answer? Hello student.
It's
9 lakh
200,000.
42,000.
9 lakh
42,000.
9,42,000 hertz. Okay, therefore this can be written as
942 kilohertz.
Very good, perfect. 942 kilohertz. So C means we can calculate also D and E. Okay, this is your FC. Okay, next point is minimum amplitude, and dear student, I will shift in upward direction. Now we will find F. F is your minimum amplitude, and dear student, minimum amplitude, what is the formula for minimum amplitude? Anyone? Hello students, what is the formula to find out
EC
minimum?
minus MC.
Yes, very
EC
good.
minus MC.
EC minus M into EC. And now I will use different color. Next is minimum amplitude of M is equal to EC minus MEC. Okay. And dear student, what is the EC? Hello.
9. Sir, 4.5 answer.
What is the EC?
9.
Yes, 9 minus MEC. MEC कितना है? What is the M?
4.5. Sir, direct.
4.5. Do step by step. Therefore, 9 minus, can I write here 4.5?
Yes.
Final answer is your 4.5
4.5.
unit. Unit. What is the unit?
Volts.
Volts. Then
So regarding FC, I think it might be wrong because I'm getting 238.85 kilovolts.
FC.
Yeah.
I'll check. I'll check. Please recheck FC. Hello, student. Please recheck FC. What is the your? What is your answer?
238.853.
What is your answer?
238.853.
238. Okay, I will.
0.853.
238. Please loudly. 2. Hello.
238.
238.
853.
853. Is it correct? Hello. 238. 853. Is it correct? Hertz.
I know. I've got this answer.
Okay.
I don't know about anybody else.
That is, we can write
Yes, sir. This means right.
238.853 kilohertz. Okay. Okay, this is your FC. Now, minimum amplitude is about 4.5 volts. Now, maximum amplitude of A is equal to, what is the formula? EC plus MEC.
Plus MS.
That is 9 plus, put all values to 9. That is 9 plus 4.5. Yes, what is the answer?
13.5
13.5 volts.
volts.
Okay. And next is 3 frequencies. That is FC minus FS, FC, FC plus FS. Okay. And last is 3 frequencies. Yes, FC minus FS. What is your FC? 238.853 kilo. What is the signal frequency? Anyone? What is the signal frequency?
429.9.
429.93. That is in what? Hertz. Okay.
Hertz.
Therefore, first convert this into kilohertz. Okay. That is here. I can write approximately equal to. Can I write 430 kilo? 0.430 kilo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then note down here. This is equal to 238.853 minus 0.430 unit kilohertz. Okay. Then similarly find FC plus FS. That is 238.853 plus 0.430 is equal to in again kilohertz. And I think you have that FC. FC is your 238.853 kilohertz. And then please draw frequency spectra. Understood, dear student, up to this level?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solve कर सकते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
I have already given all these.
Yes,
I will share all these data with you. Don't take any tension. Okay. And based on this, you can solve numerical problems. And this is about the numerical problems on amplitude modulation wave. Okay. Means based on equation you can solve, or from the knowledge of amplitude of wave, carrier wave, you can find out the, and frequency, you can find out the small m, as well as you can draw frequency spectra. Okay. Then can you tell me, and dear student, bandwidth means what? Bandwidth is upper side band minus lower side band. Okay. then you can find out the value for numerical value for each term. Yes, any doubt of this level, dear student?
No,
No,
sir.
No, sir.
ये मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा. Okay, don't take intention.